going to do the question number two in the same form, but I wanna have the password input. Actually, there's no such a controller for the password. If you type the password, you can't see within the tool. So what you have to do means you have to enable the password character. If you put the star, it will print star for you. If you put plus marks, it will print plus marks for you. You can customize according to your need, but in current situation I want to get the star, so I will put I have changed the password character into star. Okay, if you put the password character and run this thing, then definitely instead of the character it will write the password character. It will display the password character. When you write anything, it will give the password. Okay, but to show what I have input, I wanna remove this one, because otherwise you will get confused, but you cannot understand what I have entered. Okay, and this array is not required further, and I'm not going to do anything with this thing. Okay, let's see. The first rule is your password contain at least 8 character. Txt input dot text dot count. This will give the length. If count less than 8, it says then you have to show message box and dot show once I got this issue, I don't want to proceed, so I will return the code. This is how we are validating a character limitation. And then if it is satisfying the 8 character limitation, then you have to, it must contain only letter and digits. Okay, and further it must contain at least 2 digits. It must contain only letters and numbers. Only letters and numbers. I want to have two flags to check the int number count. count the numbers. Okay. Then I will go with the ASCII table. I need the ASCII table. I can search the ASCII table in here. .lk ASCII table. Okay. If you couldn't remember the ASCII table, you don't need to worry. I just want to have the ASCII table just to explain you what I'm going to do with the ASCII table. Okay, you can see the number 1 to 0, the character 1 to 0. Where is it? It's in here. If something in between 48 to 57, not bad. If it is something in between 48 to 57, 48 to 57, it means the ASCII value in between those two. It means it is a number. If it is something in between 65, I believe 65 to 165 to 19, it's a capital letter, and 97 to 97 to 122, 122. It means it is a simple letter. Okay. Now you have to iterate the all the characters one by one. Maybe it's 8, or maybe it's more than 8. For each, we can take character at I in txt input.text. Okay. Then meanwhile, the condition number 2, it's required to check whether it's containing number. Okay, the number is if it is less than 0, okay, I should be greater than or equal 0, and O, not the O, and I should be less than or equal 9. It means this character in between 0 to 9. It means it sends definitely this is a character, this is a number. It means I was it's then I will increase the number plus plus. Okay. After that, I want to verify whether it is in between the simple level block. Sorry, capital letter block. Else, if it is definitely if it is a number, then we no need to stop it, and we have to continue. We want to continue the loop. It means we don't need to execute the rest. We want to go check the next letter. Else, then it can be a capital letter, A to Z. Then again we want to continue. Otherwise it should be then we can continue. If it is not belong into the capital letter range or simple letter range, or either 0 to 9 number range, definitely it is some other character. You are not allowed to enter those kinds of unwanted characters. We are sending a message, you have entered wrong character, invalid character input, and we are returning the method. Okay, after end of the loop, we still need this number. If the count less than 2, it mean there's no it mean if it is less than 2 means there is only 1 or 0 number. Two digits, and then return otherwise we have generated the best password. Just put print a message, password is okay. Let's see how it's working. Okay, now you can enter anything, the short length A B C D E, the character length must is more than 8. Character length is more than 8, should be actually. You can put appropriate error message, but in this situation I didn't put it. Now I B C D E F G H. Still there's a error. Password must contain at least 2 digits. Okay, let's enter 2 digits. 25. Yeah, the password is in standard. If I enter something hash mark, invalid character input. You can try out with in any other characters, something like plus valid character. Okay, for the password. Okay, like the same you can try out the on you any other way. However, if you want if you're looking for any shortest method, yeah, there are very few shortcuts, very small within a very small number of codes you have to write to get this thing with the link queue. If you're interested on the link queue, you can find out more information in the internet and see how it's working. In here I am not going to practice link queue because this is not a place or location to do that, because otherwise if I am explaining with the link queue you may get confused. Okay.